Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product explorations. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best red, black, gold party decorations you can get online. The 60-piece balloon set by Vicduotex, perfect for birthdays, casino nights, New Year's parties, and more. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Inside the package, you'll find 20 red 12-inch balloons, 20 black 12-inch balloons, 15 metallic gold balloons that are slightly smaller at 10 inches, and 5 stunning 12-inch gold confetti balloons. To help you create a picture-perfect decoration, the kit also includes a gold ribbon roll and 20 glue dots, all thoughtfully provided to bring your party setup together with ease. Now, let's talk about quality. These balloons are made of high-quality latex that feels durable and inflates with ease. Vicduotex recommends using a hand pump for quicker and safer inflation. And here's a pro tip: don't overinflate. That ensures the balloons maintain their perfect round shape and don't pop unexpectedly during your event. Setting them up is surprisingly straightforward. Inflate all your balloons, then thread and tie them using the ribbon. The included glue dots are great for holding everything in place and securing them along a wall or around an arch stand. Even if you're not an expert decorator, you'll find it easy to assemble a vibrant red, black, and gold balloon arch that adds a wow factor to any celebration. This color combination is bold, elegant, and festive. It works equally well for birthdays, New Year's bashes, or even themed events like a Vegas-style casino party. We especially love how the metallic gold accents and gold confetti balloons pop against the rich red and deep black, creating a luxe, high-energy vibe. What's more, this kit comes with everything you need in one box. There's no need to shop for separate accessories or tools. It's all there, ready to go. This makes it a great choice for party planners who want an affordable and cohesive decoration set without spending hours coordinating pieces. And if you're wondering about safety, yes, there's a choking hazard warning, so make sure these are used under adult supervision if there are little ones around. If you're planning an event and looking to create a classy and colorful atmosphere, this red, black, and gold balloon kit from Vicduotex is a solid pick. Simple to use, impressive to look at, and great value for the effort you put in. That wraps up our feature on this fantastic party decoration set. If you enjoyed the review and want more practical product breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you buy better, one review at a time.